Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be harvesting collard seeds. You can see those behind me. They are all dried and ready to go. A little background on these collard seeds, or on this whole plant, I should say, because it is one plant. I started this plant in the spring, maybe a bit earlier than that. I would say February of this year. They grew and they were fabulous, delicious. They just were in really good shape the whole time. And they, obviously went to seed. They flowered and I got to witness the whole transformation process. I let those dry for a few months in the garage, and now they are ready to get the seeds emptied from them. I am so excited to do this. As you can tell, we're gonna open up those pods, get those seeds out, and save them for the fall. Let's do it. After drying for several weeks, the pods are so brittle that they easily come apart. I just apply some friction by rubbing them together, then the seeds get released. This works for me, but feel free to use other methods that you prefer. These little brown specks are the seeds.